Okay, what you can do, if you want, you can put some text in the bottom of your box. You did that before with the name tag, so I'm going to run through this pretty quickly. It's not going to take anywhere near as much time as normal. To do that, you would click Sketch, and I'm going to click in the bottom face of the box as the sketch plane, and I'm going to view that front down. So we look for the text tool, select it, click once, click again, type your text. Make sure it's bold and tick. It's going to be way too big, so we can resize that. I have a feeling we can resize it. No, we can't. We have to use the dimension tool. Dimension tool, short edge to the opposite short edge, click, and then click one more time. I think I'm going to need to make this about 90. Let's have a look. That should be okay. Alright, deselect the dimension tool, and you can grab the short edge to slide sideways. Oh yeah, it just fits. Long edge to slide up. And of course, if it still doesn't fit, you can double click where it says 90 and make it a smaller size, like 85 for example. I'm just going to have to drag that to get it centered. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And tick. I'll have to go back to the default view. Oh, no, that's no good. I'm going to have to orbit around so I can see into the box a bit. Extrude. And remember, if I click there, it misses some of the text, especially inside the O, for example, but hover so it selects all the text, all the edges of the text, and it needs to be a remove at 1mm deep. And tick. Now we've got some text in the bottom. That's the end of this video.